H-Pointer open racing Balkan Lady draws for the leader. Followed by Boys of Meadows, Palos, Magato, Pariads, and Nicola Angel, then followed by Puting Biaya. While Pradera Verde is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight day trouble, Balkan Lady with 3 lengths leader. It's Balkan Lady followed by Boys of Meadows, rushing up Magato, then followed by Palos. Right by the wheel, Puting Biaya, then followed by Nicole Angel, long way back Pradera Verde. As they hit the backstretch, solo leader, that's Balkan Lady, leads by some 6 now. Followed by Boys of Meadows, running in third, Palos, Magato, and Puting Biaya 4 lengths back. Nicole Angel and Pradera Verde still running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Balkan Lady still in front by some 4 lengths. Boys of Meadows, Palos, Puting Biaya, Magato. Inside the last 400 is still Balkan Lady. Followed now by Palos, Puting Biaya, sneaking in now. And as they hit the final turn, Balkan Lady still in front. Followed by Palos, Puting Biaya is leaping now on the wheel. Puting Biaya, Pradera Verde on the outside, and finally Puting Biaya. Pradera Verde, Palos, Balkan Lady, Nicole Angel, Boys of Meadows, Magato.
Okay, Bayang Karibista, for your race number 8, the gray horse. That's Puting Biaya with RC Tabor ang ating unofficial winner. Masisigundo dyan yung napakalakas ng remate Pradera Verde, tercero, numero 4, Palos, 5.